Somebody text something. Somebody. Why you take this one? Why didn't you take the original?
It's the original.
You take the caramel one.
No, I actually pick up the caramel one and bring it back. You know, I pick up the caramel one, you know. I said, but this looks strange. I don't remember seeing no ice cream on the Baileys. And I literally make 2 turns until I see the original. I said,
just beside.
guess what? I hear baby in my mind. I hear him in my mind saying, but she always taking the wrong thing. And I say, yes, I'm finding the original. And see? So said, so done. You love scandal, you know?
We have a meat for the lasagna.
Yeah, I didn't even know that the caramel exists until I saw it. It was on sale for €7.
What
the
was
caramel one?
Really, and you didn't take it? What is wrong with you?
I put it back. Alright, who's ready?
Me.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. You remember when I used to say that? It's a brand new day in JA. I need to go back to saying that. My JA in my house. Feel like I'm in Jamaica in my house, right?
No.
No? Why not?
Not at all, because why there's only French thing. Crepe is a French thing, so normally they're not supposed to buy those.
Yeah, but if you open the cupboard, all you're seeing is Jamaican things, Jamaican seasoning, Jamaican snack. Not this one, not this one, not this
Which
one, not
one?
this one. Yeah, cock soup and chicken noodle. Alright. You don't have to look. Anyway, you guys, everybody's here. Say hello to the babes.
One.
Okay, she wants to take off her socks. Sarah, say hello, babes.
Okay.
It's time for the
Dinner.
say supermarket haul. Supermarket haul. Anyway, you guys, Sarah, what is this? Plate. You guys, I bought some plates for my Christmas dinner. Yes, I'm planning my Christmas dinner. Yes, I didn't know. Honey, you say hello? Babe, making dinner. Babe, making dinner. So, babe, you know, man can't multitask. And my husband definitely can't multitask. Sarah, what is this? Yay, for the win. Say pizza for the win. Tyler, help me. Show Sarah.
What is this? Rock, paper, scissors.
You hear what she said?
No.
Rock, paper, scissors.
What is this? Skibby. No, it's
Seven.
seven.
Okay, what is this?
Mama. Right.
Fries. That's okay, it's me opening. You guys are trying to get through the supermarket haul while baby's making dinner.
What is this? Fish.
Peach. Alright, then sure, well, be short. What is this, Sarah? Sweet potato.
This. What is this?
What is this? Crepe.
Grape.
What is this?
Cookie.
Only this one?
Did I get the other one?
Sarah, what is this?
No, you can't show this
Sarah, they're gonna eat some, right?
Huh?
They're gonna eat some kind of
Maybe not. Don't make too much. Just put one up that or two. You know what I'm saying? Put it in the fridge. One cookie. What you eating? What is this? Cookie. Who told you can get cookie? Did you say please?
That's what
No, put it on this. Put it on the, in between the two bread.
Yup.
What is yop?
Yogurt.
See, Sarah, see it.
Tyler.
It's liquid yogurt this for Tyler. Yogurt for Sarah. Sarah, what is this? Good job. And I'm obsessed with these yogurt, and babe love them too, so we've been buying a lot of these. These are the yogurts that you can add the cereal into. They taste really good. Sorry, what is this? Yogurt. Good job. You don't have to show face, all of them. And this more natural yogurt. Babe love this and Sarah love this one too. Alright, the king is here. Let's go.
Lasagna.
Pasta for the lasagna, because who's been asking for lasagna? Tyler. So I buy ingredients to make
No,
it.
it's not Mama, it's me.
What for you?
Me?
Yeah, you.
No, it's Tyler.
Okay, it's Miss Tyler. Tyler too.
You guys, I didn't buy much at the supermarket today, but juice.
Juice. What else we have? Oh.
They're discovering.
Mama, do you know how many
We have juice
things
too.
we buy?
How many
Just
things
for the
at
kids.
once?
All of this, and all of this
No
we
time.
buy.
Like we always get this for the kids. I don't know what's special, if it's more fruits, it's less
Not
sugar.
necessarily. It's because it's easy to transport. I stop get them in the box, because when them drink from this and they don't finish it, you can easily close it back. What's this? Sarah, what is this?
Cookies.
What is this? Pasta.
What is this, Sarah?
Sarah, what is this? Look. This one.
She no care.
What is this? Hey, what is this?
She no care.
Juice.
She don't care.
She want water. Here, water please.
What is this? Pasta papillon.
Who wanted pasta papillon? You, of course. Let's go. What's the rest of things?
No, this one back behind you.
We have frozen stuff. Courgette, zucchini.
Yo, and cookies. Sarah said cookies. What?
Ooh, sorry.
Pushing
I
right
didn't
off.
pay
Jesus.
attention.
My belly is almost dead.
Somebody text something. Somebody. Why you take this one? Why didn't you take the original?
It's the original.
You take the caramel one.
No, I actually pick up the caramel one and bring it back. You know, I pick up the caramel one, you know. I said, but this looks strange. I don't remember seeing no ice cream on the Baileys. And I literally make two turns until I see the original. I said,
Just beside.
guess what? I hear baby in my mind. I hear him in my mind saying, but she always taking the wrong thing. And I say, yes, I'm fine, the original. And see? So said, so done. You love scandal, Mina?
We have meat for the lasagna.
Yeah, I didn't even know that the caramel exists until I saw it. It was on sale for €7.
What
the
was
caramel one?
Really? And you didn't take it? What is wrong with you?
I put it back.
We have some, well, for the lasagna we have tomato sauce. So we have the tomato sauce, the pasta, the meat. I think she also takes the cheese because the cheese and the cream
We
are
don't see the cheese yet.
all of these things.
The
So
cheese already?
when you plan to do this?
Probably for dinner Sunday.
Alright, cool.
Or tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Here, babe, no. Here, babe. Here,
Balance
papa.
the cuisine. Okay.
Finally, I'll be measuring, not just dashing in like a Jamaican. I bought a kitchen scale. I have a kitchen scale for the first time. I'm owning a kitchen scale. Normally I don't measure, but I'm not playing with my Christmas cake this year, okay? I plan on getting things right around here. Chicken! Sarah, what is this? Sarah? Sarah? Leah, what is this?
Chicken.
Chicken for the win. We have salmon. And we have shrimp. What is this?
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Lasagna milk.
No, it's not lasagna milk. It's called
We have some
bechamel
pineapple juice.
sauce.
Jamaican love pineapple juice.
We love make we own pineapple juice. That kind of pineapple juice we love rich in ginger. This is a pineapple juice now, not a
How
ginger.
healthy is this?
Milk for porridge.
Very healthy for my tea. You guys, am I the only one that drink a lot of tea during cold time?
Here's the cheese.
No, no.
I drink a lot of tea.
And here's the cheese for the lasagna.
Mozzarella for the lasagna.
Mozzarella
I'm
for
gonna make her cook. And next time I have something that I want to try to make myself is the gnocchi with cheese.
Aha!
So that will be my next challenge. She's gonna make the lasagna, and one of these days before
Lasagna
Christmas.
is French?
Probably Italian. I don't know. Everything that is pasta, say it's Italian. So
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
So the next time I try to make gnocchi with the cheese. So she might not really eat it much.
But I'll taste it
Maybe
for
she
the
can
for the,
taste
for
it.
the for the effort.
Yeah, I will appreciate
Sarah,
that.
no.
So that was it for today. That was fine. And
No!
yeah, we're gonna
Come, rock, paper, scissors time. Come beat Papa. Sarah, rock, paper, scissors time.
Allez, papa!
Sarah, happy and ready. Come.
When was the last time
Come
you beat
on.
me?
When was the last time you win? Win today in a tie and no cheating. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One tie, 0 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One tie, 2 tie, 0 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tyler for the win!
I give him this win.
Tyler! Yeah!
I see.
No, il m'a won.
I've
No,
won.
he had 0.
Hello?
Papa, regarde. Papa, regarde, je suis là.
Alright you guys, so that's the end of the supermarket haul. We are doing a quick dinner. Normally you guys know that on a Friday I don't cook, but I made some macaroni and cheese for earlier, so the kids are having some of that. But babe suggests that we do crêpe monsieur. So crêpe monsieur, if you don't know what it is, it's like a sandwich that is made in the oven with cheese in the middle and ham and cheese on the top. So that's in with also a little bit of pizza. So I'm gonna show you guys that when it's finished. I should have showed you while he's doing the process, but because I was doing a haul at the same time, so much chaos around here, but which give you raw and real, so it's understandable. I'm going to go ahead and start packing out these things until the crock is ready, while the kids also having some macaroni and cheese, and they're gonna have some pizza and some crock when that finished. So anyway you guys, stick and stay and we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, so this is what it's looking like. Cheese on top, ham and cheese in middle, really hot, and it's ready to eat. So that's dinner on a Friday with some Baileys.
Mama,
Yes sir.
can I show face for my
Your bag? Okay.
It's not a bag.
It's your trousse. Yes, it's a pencil case. Come fast, I put it here. Okay, let's see if Faves recognize you. Move your hand. Let's see if Faves recognize you. Find Tyler. That's the quiz of today for you guys to find Tyler.
But I think you're going to easy.
That's the truth.
Okay.
That we
You're
ordered.
easy going to find
Cause
it
your
a bit-
name.
Yes.
Let's see how fast they can find your name.
You only have 10
So this is
seconds.
everybody in Tyler class.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the time is done. The answer is
Tyler.
it's not easy to see me because I'm in pink.
I wouldn't say pink. I would say it's red.
No.
Alright you guys, so this came with his, we ordered this in his year picture package, so he's very proud of it and he loves it, and him just hold on to it since he got it. Anyway, let's attend to this one over here. Mama multitasking. You want yogurt, Sarah? Would you like to have some yogurt? Sarah, yogurt? Okay.
Sleep. Bye. Doudou. Bye bye.
Le district ouvre ses portes, plus dangereux que jamais.
Stay here.
une seule nuit. Et cette nouvelle personnalité ont accepté d'y pénétrer.
Non, vite, attrapé. Ah, je t'ai retrouvé. Oh là, ça va pas très bien. C'est ça. And that's real Sarah did pee and caca.
Je sais.
Pourquoi tu changes pas les fesses? Les fesses.
Parce que j'ai un peu. That's how we're ending today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was Friday, so we just finish off the evening by just chilling, watching movies. We didn't do anything else for the rest of the day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's supermarket haul, as you guys normally do. So give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.